Want to create your own website? Use Webnode. Webnode is a Swiss-built point-and-click website builder used by over 22 million site owners worldwide. Webnode features: first, user-friendly builder; second, domain name; third, safe and reliable hosting; 4, professional email; 5, free photos; 6, SEO tools. First, user-friendly builder. You can add various types of content anywhere on YouTube. Just go to the plus sign button and select the content you want. Second, domain name. Whether you're looking for a new domain or want to connect your existing one, Webnode is the perfect place. From premium and local domains available on the Webnode platform, to free website registration with every purchase of a mini plan premium plan voucher, Webnode's got it all covered. Third, safe and reliable hosting. All Webnode websites are hosted on safe, secure servers. As your web presence grows, you can get more content space for storing the website's files and bandwidth to handle a higher number of visitors. 4. Setting your mailbox on Webnode allows you to have a professional email address for your business. It also builds trust and strengthens the organization's brand, making it seem like a more serious company. 5. Free photos. Add visual interest to your website by using pictures from Webnode extensive image and icon gallery. Webnode images are all royalty-free, so you can use them on your site without worrying about copyright infringement. 6. SEO tools. Entice visitors by creating unique and enticing titles for each page of your website. These will be noticed in the search results, so make sure they are as attractive as possible. Customize URLs on every page to make navigating around your site easier. Webnode pricing plans are as follows. Pros. First, unlimited site building features with a custom domain and access to mobile templates make the Webnode very attractive. Second, Webnode provides free websites without advertisements. Hence you or your users don't have to face the unwanted ads. Cons. First, blogging functions are somewhat limited. Second, this Webnode review found that the company does not provide live chat or phone support, but it can be contacted via email. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For more information, please visit our website idealonlinebusiness.com. Link for the website is given in the description box below.